We've talked a fair bit now about savings, but at sort of a micro level. Now we're going to be looking at it at a macro level. So we're going to define national savings, and we'll break that down into private saving and public saving, and we'll show that savings should actually be equal to investment. This is something we've already talked about, but now we're going to look at another way that you can show that this should be true, at least when international markets are not involved. So national saving can be defined as the combined savings of households, businesses, and the government. So these are three of the four sectors in our four-sector model, the fourth one being international markets. That one we just want to disregard for now. You may remember that we define savings as just being income minus spending, and at the aggregate level that is no different. So in order to figure out what national savings should be equal to, it's just aggregate income minus aggregate spending. And aggregate spending has two components. We've got our consumption, which is spending by households and firms, and then you've got government spending. Now, we should specify at this point that investment is not a form of spending. So I might just put that in. Investment is not spending. Sometimes it may be difficult to distinguish between the two, but if you recall, spending is something that will reduce